When you first start Clever Notes on the iPad, you get to that screen, as you know. Since it's the first time, you don't have anything on your left side. However, you can't start type here. So either this needs to be kind of a empty sheet, or it's just show maybe the front cover from Clever Notes, maybe the same as when we started up, you know. This one maybe here, because the book is actually closed and there's nothing we can type here anyway. So obviously people need to create a new folder first. Some might not know. First folder, okay, and then if you go in there, obviously you can create a new note by typing this here. So if I say first note, okay, now I can still not type here because actually I need to choose this and type. That's kind of a bit confusing. You see, I mean, look at Audio Notes again. I really hope you downloaded that software. If not, I mean, you can charge me for it if you need to buy the app. It's very cheap. I think it's like $1 or $2 actually. It's gonna be our main competitor actually, I think. Obviously we don't have the functionality of Evernote, but I think Audio Notes will be our main competitor. Now another thing, I just opened a note as you see, and I'm gonna type here. This is a note. This is the second line, and so on and so on. Good. Sorry. That's very nice. As you add it, we can draw here. Where I have a problem, I wrote about that already in an earlier note. That was when I didn't have the iPad version in front of me yet. I mean, you didn't finish it at the point. That if I add pictures, photos, you know, that we need to be able to move them, because I'm going to show you what happens. See? They move over there. I cannot move them. Cannot move them anywhere. As they move over here, they slowly cover up the whole navigation area. This is not too cool. Of course, the best thing would be to move those around. I'm not sure whether you can do that. Maybe that's something you should elaborate on, or just tell me what do you think. Otherwise, maybe they should be stacked different, but basically what I would really like, I wrote about that earlier also, it's like to be able to move them around here. Okay, because you see what happens. I mean, let me add another one. Okay, it doesn't even work when you reached over there, I guess. Yeah, so once you've reached 3 images, you're actually done. So yeah, anyhow, that's another point. Okay, so that was 2 things, or 3 things actually. If you start up the application, it's not too clear how the user can start with his first page. There we should maybe start with the book cover in the front and then allow the user to go on. This is good. Okay, I'll be back with other stuff later on. Here, of course, again, as mentioned, the first thing, I should be able to flip this as I do on audio notes. As said, we're creating basically a clone of audio notes with the possibility to add pictures and folders. That's the only thing. You see, I should be able to do it like that and then have the full page usable. Okay, so next thing I think gonna be audio recording.